Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, researchers, students, and all the participants joining us through Zoom, a very warm welcome to you for today's webinar. On the behalf of MICE, MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, it is my privilege to extend heartfelt greetings to all of you. To begin this auspicious program, let us evoke the blessings of Almighty for wisdom, knowledge, success in our endeavors. I request everyone to join us for the prayer.
नमो जीयाद्या वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवा तूति गणेशु सकलार्थमति प्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारि गोदी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you, everyone. Every successful institution is guided by a visionary leadership that inspires excellence and fosters innovation. It is now my honor to invite respected Dr. Sanjay Manesar to deliver the inaugural address and share his valuable thoughts with the gathering.
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. First of all, very good morning to all participants, respected teachers, as well as the guests. For today's webinar session, we have Dr. Sidhudun Bokefude, who is serving as Associate Professor in CSE Department from MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi. So on behalf of MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, I would like to very thankful to the guest as well as all the participants and dear teachers. So today's topic is related to the effective research paper writing and publications using AI tools. So currently the AI tools is very hot topic because every teachers, every professor, associate professor or assistant professor wants to do the PhD, and also they are interested in the research activity which is helpful for the society as well as the institute and universities. So accordingly, the Bokefude sir has coming with the various topics like writing process, AI-powered literature reviews, journal selection for specific topics, as well as plagiarism preventions, because these are the very basic process. If you want to get Scopus in the publications in reputed as well as Scopus indexed journals, then this is very basic process. So I wish all the participants best of luck for this sessions, and keep watching the MIT Corer website series. as well as the webinar series. So thank you one and all for joining this webinar series of MIT Kural Varshi. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my privilege to introduce our distinguished resource person for today's webinar, Dr. Sudhodhan Bokefode, sir. Dr. Bokefode is an accomplished academician, researcher, and a mentor with over 18 years of experience in teaching, research, and academic administration in the field of computer science and engineering. He holds a PhD in computer science and is currently serving as associate professor at MIT College Railway Engineering. His research areas and expertise include artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital forensics, distributed computing, research methodology. He has authored more than 15 research papers, including Scopus, SCI, and UGC Index journals, contributing significantly to research, innovation, and academic excellence. In addition, he has actively contributed to NBA and NAC accreditation activities, student mentoring, project coordination, NPTEL mentorship, faculty development programs, and research workshops. Now, before handing over the session to our esteemed speaker, let me introduce the topic of today's webinar. The theme of today's webinar is effective research paper writing and publication using AI tools. Through this session, participants will gain valuable insights, including the complete research paper writing process, AI-powered literature review techniques, journal selection strategies, research ethics and plagiarism prevention, publication in reputed journals, effective use of AI tools for academic writing and research support. Without taking much of your valuable time, I now invite our esteemed resource person, Dr. Sudhodhan Bokefode, sir, to conduct today's session. Sir, the platform is all yours.
Hello, am I audible? So good morning to all of you. Today I will tell you different AI tools that will be useful for paper writing. Before starting this, I will share some slides. What is importance of research writing? So mainly, whenever we are thinking for research writing, then importance of research publication, then research paper structure, what are the research strategies that we have to use for writing research paper, then journal paper selection, then publication ethics, what are the AI tools that we have to use, that things we have to discuss. So importance of research paper writing. So it is very useful for academic growth, career development, innovation and knowledge sharing, and institutional ranking. So basically, when we are writing a research paper, then it will help in academic growth. Also, whatever may be career advancement, that can be improved by using this research paper writing. Then innovation and knowledge sharing and institutional ranking. So this is the workflow of research. First, we have an idea. Then we have to write a literature review according to our idea. That means, suppose I have to use SVM algorithm or any algorithm for specific area. Suppose I have to use image forgery of particular image forgery. I have to detect image forgery for particular section. At that time, what I can do, I am using different transform functions or SVM or any technique. So according to that, I have to find out research papers which are included in my research review. Then what are the methodologies I am using? Then analysis of our methodologies. And then what are the writing, and then we have to go towards publication. So structure of, basically, whenever we are writing research paper, at that time, first we have to select title, then abstract, then keywords used in that abstract. So abstract is nothing but core part of your research paper. After that, what are the keywords? Are nothing but the words that are repeatedly used in your research paper. After that, introduction. In introduction, you are writing what are the citations you are taking. That means, suppose I have to write research paper, then I am studying 20 to 25 research paper. At that time, which authors I have selected, and what are the previous research that will be included, that I have to mention in my introduction. After that, literature review. So in literature review, whatever may be journals I am using for reference, so it is short summary of that research paper. After that, what methodology I am using, because we have already studied, uh, or we have mentioned different literature reviews or different uh, authors. At that time, what methodology we have to, or what is the strategy for writing research paper that we have to write here, and then result and discussion, according to our simulation, what are the results, that, and discuss, we have to discuss these results, how our results are accurate than previous results, that we have to uh, discuss, and then we have to write conclusion, and these are the references that we are using. So selecting journals. After writing research paper, we have to select journal. That means the journals which are Scopus Index or SCI and UGC Care Journal. Then we have to check its impact factor, and again indexing, that will be correctly indexed or not, or either these journals are fake or not. And what is peer review process? That means how to register for that journal. After registration, what are the steps we have to follow, and depending upon the journals criteria, uh, time to time we have to update information in our research. That means suppose they have given some suggestions, then we have to improve that suggestion. That peer review, in this peer review process, that will be done. Then publication ethics. So whenever we are writing paper, at that time, how to avoid plagiarism, because our basic topic is we are using different AI tools, and whenever we are using AI tools, then there are softwares like Turnitin that can easily catch our AI content. So how to avoid such AI content, that we have to see. Then what is, we have to use proper citation format like IEEE format that we are using for citation. Then authorship ethics and data integrity. These are the points that we have to see. Then AI tools. Generally, we are using ChatGPT, Turnitin, Mendeley, or Grammarly. So we are discussing some tools, and by using these tools, we can write a research paper. Now, what are the common mistakes that we are doing whenever we are writing research paper? At that time, these are the some common mistakes that can be done, like weak abstract we are using, poor formatting, then incomplete literature review, and wrong citations. Because of that, our paper will be rejected from a reputed journal. Then writing strategy. Whenever we are writing research paper, at that time, that whatever our motive, it should be clear and precise. That means if I am using some of the tools, then we can't go away from our focus. So we have to maintain our focus for writing particular research. After that, whatever may be visuals we are using, then tables we are using, then we have to follow journal guidelines and revise that paper multiple times. So these are the writing strategies that can be done by using these AI tools. And lastly, uh, whenever you have done your research paper, at that time, research quality of that paper, then we have followed ethics and standards, and uh, how to choose journal wisely and publish impactful work. That are the points that we have to discuss. So directly, I am just a minute. Suppose I have to choose journal. Then suppose I Google this Scopus Index journal. So we can easily get such type of list from different website. But how to check that journal is in Scopus or not? So first we have to go towards Scopus site. And here, depending upon ISSN number, suppose this is a journal, IRJMS. Now, when I click on that journal, then that journal says that this is an ISSN number, frequency is quarterly, indexing is in Scopus, SCI, UGC care. So that we can see on every website. But either that journal is genuine or not. For that, what we have to do, we can see this ISSN number. I will copy it and then I can put this number here and then find sources. Then I can find out this journal, International Journal, Research Journal of Multidisciplinary Scope. So I can find out what is percentile, then what how many citations from 2022 to 25 documents cited. When I click on that journal, at that time you can see that coverage of that journal. So 2022 2026, and it is a publisher. So we can check these things before selecting journal. Otherwise, what will happen? You are writing research paper, and if you have done quality work, and after some time, if you have not checked this type of, if you are not checking, then after publishing paper, after some time it will be discontinued. So you can check its quality by here citation score rank. So here you can get these things. Also, Scopus content coverage. That means every year how many journals will be published, journal papers will be published. That you can find out. After that, suppose now generally what we are doing, we are using ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT AI that I am using. Suppose in ChatGPT, now what I have to do? So this is an AI tool, ChatGPT. So here by using ChatGPT, we can get different information. Now, look here. I have to do research in AI and ML area. So I can prompt on that prompt, I will write give some research topic names in AI and ML. So it will give you such type of list. Now, these are the, suppose I am selecting this one, machine learning based or AI for phishing and malware detection. Suppose I have selected this topic and I have pasted here. Then I will write you or suggest for this topic. For writing Scopus research paper. So now it will give you different names. Now modern AI, here machine learning focus a machine learning framework for detecting phishing attack and malware threats. Suppose I have selected this. Now what I can do, Q 25 references. Indexed in Scopus. 25 latest references that are prompt I am giving. Latest references. Scopus. Look here. So I can get this 25 different type of references. So normally what we are doing in research paper, we are getting this information from ChatGPT. Now what I can do, if I am using traditional way, then directly I will now in IEEE format. If I give this IEEE format, then it will give these references in IEEE format. Okay, so here normally what I can do, I will select this one and get abstract. So what ChatGPT will done, he will select that particular journal and then or we can directly paste that journal. Or I can, he will say, he will give another 20 to 25 to 40 different IEEE format journal names. So these are the 10 verified journal names. Now, what I can do, I have to write introduction. In traditional way, what we are doing, we have to study each and every journal. And after studying each and every journal, what is the introduction, what is the abstract of that journal, and then what are the findings of that journal that we are summarizing manually. So we are studying each and every journal for getting our abstract and information for new research. Now, by using this AI tool, I can directly write abstract. So write abstract using 25 references in 150 words. that prompt I am giving. So what it will show, so directly it will write abstract and keywords of that journal. Now using above citation, write introduction. So it will write introduction. Look here. So that thing is very easy. What we have to do when we are using traditional method at that time, we have to summarize all these journals. Now I am using this 10 citations and directly I am writing this. Now what is the next step? Literature review. So I can directly copy and paste literature review. So it will give literature review also. So this is our second one, literature review. Here that citation will be stop this and this, or remove that citation number is again reverted in our literature review. So remove this from our. So that plain literature review, it will be shown. So this is the one method that we are implementing by using this Chat GPT AI tool. You can use Gemini. You can use another prompt for writing research paper. But widely, Chat GPT covers most of the journals. That database, Chat GPT database, is contained with most of the journals. So I am giving you this Chat GPT. Also, Gemini is also good. That will give number of research paper references. So instead of studying each and every research paper, directly we are getting information. So this is the literature review. I can next part, if I next type next part, then I can this proposed methodology. In this, now what we have to do? It will be given by this proposed methodology, by this Chat GPT. Now, what I have to use? I will give prompt implement new strategy. In above. So it will change, or it will give new strategy according to your references. Now, next part. So it will give system architecture. Now, look here. The architecture flow, it will be given by this, but it will be in text format. Now, what I have to do? I have to use flowchart of that diagram. Then I can directly go to draw.ai to draw.io. So by using this draw, directly you can drag and drop every tool. And suppose I have to do this one, I have to take this, then I have to take this. So whatever may be data flow, that will be uh, that flowchart that we can simply put this, and we can give flow of our algorithm. Now this is your flowchart. If I have to include algorithm, then I can write include algorithm. So this is proposed algorithm that it will give. Modify with new methodology. So that it can he can by that whatever may be this proposed algorithm. Now it will be modified. So we whatever may be previous part, that will be completely modified by using this chat GPT. If so, when it is useful, whenever we have to write new research algorithm, at that time it will be very useful, because whenever we are writing research methodology, he will select methodologies from previous research paper, and according to that, that ChatGPT will create one algorithm. But if we know new methodology or we give prompt, then according to our prompt, it will give some changes, or it will suggest new methodologies for our this methodology section or proposed algorithm section. After that, next part, in the next part, what we can do, result and discussion. Now this result will be shown here. Performance comparison of machine learning model. So what models we are using? Decision tree, SVM, random forest, XGBoost, boost method, light GBM, and propose LEMFL. That means these are proposed algorithm, and by using that, he will compare accuracy of our model. That means whenever we are using this previous model, then this is the accuracy, and what proposed method we have getting from ChatGPT, it will give this type of result. That means it will give more accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC AUC curve. Now, what we have to do? We have to write. We have to do it by simulation. So I can say ChatGPT to write program. Python simulation to show result in bar chart. So it will give you directly simulation program. Now directly I can copy that program. So it will be given in this way, but I have to use this just Colab. So if I am using this Google Colab, I paste this code, if I run this code, there are some errors. So by using Gemini, we can fix this error. Now I am using another tool, accept and run. So Gemini will fix this error and directly we can get result in this bar chart. We can easily copy paste this result for our result section. After that, now next part. That means we can get different tables. Now I have given only one simulation. We can ask different tables for ChatGPT and we can add one more results for our simulation. Also, we can design different programs and we can find out different results. Then, according to our research, that will be given by ChatGPT, conclusion and future work that will be shown. Now, I can copy paste this. So these are the references. And what are the proposed methodology? These are the points that will be given. Now we can edit these points because we have already get information from this, all this. Now, when we collaborate all these contents and when we are going to check plagiarism, then all 100% AI plagiarism that will be shown in plagiarism software like Turnitin. If I am using Turnitin software, then I can get 100% plagiarism. Suppose I will copy this code and I will connect all this information and create a new research paper. When we put this research paper on such type of plagiarism checking software, so basically Turnitin is used by each and every journal for checking plagiarism. At that time, it will give 100% plagiarism result. So how to avoid this? For that, I am using this one tool whose name is this stillwriter.ai. Now, if I put this content, just a minute, I will copy this and put it here. So here, when I check for AI, then look here. All 100% it will be AI detected. Now I am using this humanize method. Then your text will be written in humanized language. That means whatever may be general language, that language is completely changed. Look here. This is our first language. That this is our part that we will get from AI, like ChatGPT or Perplexity. You can use Perplexity, the Gemini. Then it will be humanized by using the still writer. So 93% human. So it looks like human. And when we recompile these contents in Turnitin, at that time we will get 0% plagiarism result. 0% plagiarism. So we can use these tools for research paper writing. Now I have already told you every journal that we have to check by its ISSN number. Now selecting journal. How to select journal? First we have to go towards Scopus site, and then we can, by using ISSN number, when we are searching for particular journal, like if I am getting right, give names of newly Scopus journals. Index journals. So we can get information of newly Scopus index journal. These are the engineering, AI and technology. So computer decision making. Give links. So directly, whatever may be links of that journal, that will be given directly. We can go on that journal by using this link, and then we can see either that journal is Scopus index or not by using its ISSN number. Now suppose this computer and security elsewhere, it will be given to this, it is an elsewhere journal. So 2 days for first decision, that 56 days, and one, so we can get all the information of that journal, and then directly what are the APC charges for that journal. Now I have to use pre-journal, so give names of pre-journals. Give, if we don't want to publish our paper in paid journal, then give names of pre-journals that we can give from. So we can easily get pre-journal names. So there is no APC for this one. So it will be indexed in Cringer. So directly we can get information for this journal. In this way, we can find out different type of journal by using this prompt. And every time, either I can use this humanizer. There are different tools that will be used for humanizing such type of content. By using this diagrams.io, we can easily write diagrams. If we have to get original image, then we have to use different data sets, and by using this different data set, we can get original images from that particular data set. Whenever we have to do research, at that time there are such type of web service provider where we can get such type of images. These are the original images that will be used for simulation in your research paper. So these are the some tools that I have explained in my session. So you can use another tools and you can write different research paper. So I will stop sharing, and you can easily use some of the journal papers, or you can start to write research paper by using such type of AI tools. And by using these tools, you can find out different Scopus index journals. So if any questions from your side, then you can ask me.
Thank you so much, sir, for an enlightening, informative, and insightful session. We are now open for question answer session. Participants who have any question or any query may either raise their virtual hand or post their queries in the chat box.
Yes, sir. We can by using drill bit, we can use same process for avoiding such type of content. We can use different AI tools. This is an still writer is allowing us for more words. Whenever we are using another AI tools at that time, they will use paid subscription. But right now, this tool is free. So I have given information about this free tool. By using this, we can avoid plagiarism of each and this we can avoid plagiarism. List all AI tools for research. Okay, madam. I will share information. Uh, can you please check all AI detection zero GPT? No, sir. When we are using such type of AI tools, at that time, by using zero GPT or any AI tool, we have to use standard process for checking plagiarism. Either we can use this. These are the authorized tools like we can use this drill bit or Turnitin. These are the two standard tools.
Thank you, everyone. Now, I kindly request all the participants who have attended today's webinar to complete the feedback form. The feedback form link has been already shared in the chat box. Please note that certificates of participation will be provided only to those who submit the feedback form. And now, as we come to the conclusion of this enriching webinar, it is my pleasant duty to propose a vote of thanks. On the behalf of MITES, MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, I express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Sududan Bokefode, sir, for delivering such an insightful and valuable session. We are thankful to our respected principal sir for his unwearying support, Dr. Sanjay Mane sir for his constant encouragement. I also extend my appreciation to all the faculty members, organizing committee members, technical support staff, and participants who presents made this event a success. With this, we conclude today's webinar. Thank you everyone for your active participation and enthusiastic involvement. I now request everyone to join us for the Pasaidan before we formally end the program.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येणे वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनि मज द्यावे पसाय दान हे जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रतिवाढो भूता परस्परे पडो जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिर जाओ विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो देवांशील तो तेलाह प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड देता पहिन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी तिही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये हो आवे जी येथ म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वराव हा होईल दान पसावो येणे वरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया
Thank you, everyone. I hereby declare the program.